How to upload selected photos from iPhone to Google Photos. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to photos.google.com. You will then be taken to your Google Photos homepage. Go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon. Tap on Import Photos in the Add Photos section. Then, select Photo Library. You can now select the photos you want to upload to Google Photos from your camera roll. After selecting, tap on Add. Here, choose backup quality that you want. For example, original quality. You have now successfully backed up this photo to Google Photos. Following these steps, you can easily upload selected photos from iPhone to Google Photos. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.